Hi everyone. In this video, we'll understand what is a BCG matrix and how does the BCG matrix work with its examples. The BCG matrix is a portfolio management framework that helps companies decide how to prioritize their different businesses. It is a table split into 4 quadrants, each with its unique symbol that represents a certain degree of profitability. Question marks, stars, pets often represented by a dog, and cash cows. By assigning each business to one of these 4 categories, executives could then decide where to focus their resources and capital to generate the most value, as well as where to cut their losses. Now let's see, how does the BCG matrix work? The BCG matrix was built on the logic that market leadership results in sustainable superior returns. Ultimately, the market leader obtains a self-reinforcing cost advantage that competitors find difficult to replicate. These high growth rates then signal which markets have the most growth potential. The matrix reveals 2 factors that companies should consider when deciding where to invest: company competitiveness and market attractiveness, with relative market share and growth rate as the underlying drivers of these factors. Each of the 4 quadrants represent a specific combination of relative market share and growth. Let's see each one by one. First is the stars. Products that are in high growth markets and that make up a sizable portion of that market are considered stars and should be invested in more. In the upper left quadrant are stars which generate high income but also consume large amounts of company cash. If a star can remain market leader, it eventually becomes a cash cow when the market's overall growth rate declines. Next is the cash cows. Products that are in low growth areas but for which the company has a relatively large market share are considered cash cows, and the company should thus milk the cash cow for as long as it can. These products generally generate returns that are higher than the market's growth rate and sustain itself from a cash flow. These products should be taken advantage of for as long as possible. The value of cash cows can be easily calculated since their cash flow patterns are highly predictable. In effect, low growth, high share cash cows should be milked for cash to reinvest in high growth with high future potential. Next is the question marks. Questionable opportunities are those in high growth rate markets but in which the company does not maintain a large market share. Question marks are in the upper right portion of the grid. They typically grow fast but consume large amounts of company resources. Products in this quadrant should be analyzed frequently and closely to see if they are worth maintaining. And finally, the dogs. If the company's product has a low market share and is at a low rate of growth, it is considered a dog and should be sold, liquidated, or repositioned. Dogs found in the lower right quadrant of the grid don't generate much cash for the company, since they have a low market share and little to no growth. Because of this, dogs can turn out to be cash traps, tying up company funds for long periods of time. For this reason, they are prime candidates for divestiture. Now let's see an example of a BCG growth matrix. There are many companies that we can apply the growth matrix to in the real world. Apple is a great candidate. Let's take a look at the products Apple has on the market according to the matrix categories. The star. There's no doubt that the majority of Apple's sales come from the most popular product. The iPhone is the star of the company. The cash cow for the company is its Mac products, notably the MacBook laptop, which is one of the most popular in this group. Next, the question mark for the company is Apple TV. The competition in the streaming world is intense, with traditional services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus dominating the market. Even YouTube is eating away at market share. iPod. Once a darling of the company, the iPod is now considered a dog for the company. Hence, we can say the growth share matrix put forth by the founder of BCG, Bruce Henderson, in 1970 remains a powerful tool for managing strategic experimentation amid rapid, unpredictable change. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.